There is also a system that God has kept in place. It's called the assembling of yourselves together, which is the local assembly. It is very, 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 very important and advantageous that any believer that has received his admission letter should be found in a local assembly. Why? It's a system of continuity. It's a system to strengthen the life you have received. It's a system to strengthen and sustain the nature that you have received. That is not the nature of sin, neither is it the nature of death. Now imagine you received your appointment letter, but you never left your house to go to work. So there are several ethics about that workspace that you will never know. In fact, it's not about the fact that you studied accounting, but the day you entered into that institution, you will see that there are several things that you do not know, even though you studied accounting. It is until you begin to come into that physically representing yourself. Bible said it is by one spirit we have been baptized into the body of Christ. So God created a systematization to preserve the life we have received. That's why there's what we call kingdom culture. Kingdom culture is sustained. It's a culture or a lifestyle that proceeds from the nature of the Christ. It's a culture, a way of life that proceeds from the nature of God. But this nature, this lifestyle, there is a system God has kept in place to sustain it. That system is called the church. The church is represented universally, the church is represented territorially, and the church is represented locally, like we are here now. If you are not part of the church, you will see that several realities about the new life will be hampered, will not really come onto maturity, because you are supposed to function from like a position of a member. Bible says we are members of one another, meaning that there is complementary action and reality when you bring yourself into this system called the body. But only one of us is not a body but a member, like an organ. But when you are factored in a system like this whole body, then kidney will make sense, then brain will make sense. But when you isolate the brain as though powerful will become very useless, because the brain is not supposed to function outside of this assemblage. The hand is not to function outside of this assemblage. So God created a system like that of physical body, so that there is usefulness for the life you have received, so that there is preservation for the life you have received. If there is amputation, except that part of the body is preserved under certain condition, death will step in.